Hi guys, it's Jenifer Tavares here with another video. I am a real estate expert and a business entrepreneur. In today's video, I want to talk about 1031 exchange. What is the 1031 exchange? How do you use it? Why you should use it? And the rules. I'm currently working with a client on a 1031 exchange right now, and I've done so many. So if you're interested, please continue watching. A 1031 exchange is an IRS rule and a tax strategy used by most successful real estate investors. To put it simply, this strategy allows investors to defer paying capital gain taxes on a property that is an investment that has just been sold. Of course, you still need to follow the 1031 exchange rules, which we will go into in just a minute. This is a great tax strategy because you will be purchasing a larger property without having to pay the capital gain taxes. Of course, one day you will have to pay that gain tax, but in the meantime, you'll be collecting a higher amount of rent for this investment property and you'll start creating more wealth. Another amazing thing that a lot of people don't know about a 1031 exchange is if you happen to own this property all the way until you die and your children inherit it, the cool thing is that they actually don't get to pay any taxes. Uncle Sam pretty much just erases it. When to do a 1031 exchange? When you sell an investment property, you have to pay capital gain taxes, especially if this property is now worth significantly more than when you first purchased it. Using this strategy, you can actually make a lot of money by purchasing a larger property. How to do a 1031 exchange. To successfully do a 1031, you must exchange one property for another that is similar in value or greater. By doing this, you would avoid paying capital gain taxes, at least for a while. Now let's go into the 1031 exchange rules. There are 6 primary rules that you should always follow. Number 1, you need to find a like-kind property, meaning that you cannot take this money and now go buy a Ferrari. No, you need to take this money and buy another real property. For example, if you sell your condo and now you want to buy a duplex property to rent out, that is allowed. Please note, to qualify under Section 1031, the replacement property must be within the United States. Another fun fact is that you could actually exchange one property for multiple properties. So do yourself a favor and hire a qualified real estate agent to assist you. Rule 2, it must be an investment or business property only. A 1031 exchange is only applicable for investment properties. So no co-ops and no primary residence. You cannot exchange your primary residence to another primary residence. Rule number 3, it must be greater or equal value. In order to avoid paying any taxes upon the sale of your property, the IRS requires for you to purchase a property that is greater or equal value. This way you would avoid paying 100% of the capital gain taxes. Rule 4, same taxpayer. So the name that appears on the title of the property that's being sold needs to be the same name to appear on the property that's being bought. So it doesn't matter if you're now married and you want to include your spouse in the title. Unfortunately, it cannot happen that way. Rule 5, 45 days identification window. So the property owner now has 45 calendar days after closing the first property to identify 3 potential properties. Now rule 6, 180-day purchase window. So you now have 180 days to fully complete the purchase of this new property in which you're exchanging the last one for. This is one of my favorite strategies because as an investor, you get to pay 0% of any capital gain taxes. You now get to own a larger investment property, and that investment property is now giving you more rental income. This is also amazing for the real estate agent because you get to make a commission on that first sale of their property, on the purchase of the second property, and when you rent the property. So it's a win-win for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe. I have weekly videos. Until next time.